Today we're making eggless brown sugar pumpkin snickerdoodles. Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. This is one of my favorite fall cookies as it combines a classic snickerdoodle with pumpkin. It's super soft and chewy because there's no eggs. Let me show you guys how to make it. So first we're going to preheat our oven to 375 degrees. So I'm going to use my stand mixer today with the paddle attachment, but if you guys want to use a hand mixer, that also works too. So first you want to make sure that your butter is super soft. This gives you an idea. So next we're going to add in our brown sugar. And you guys can use light brown sugar or dark brown sugar for this recipe, either will work. The only difference between light brown sugar and dark brown sugar is that dark brown sugar has more molasses than light brown sugar. That's what makes it a darker color and it gives it a little bit richer flavor. So if you use dark brown sugar, you'll have a little bit darker cookies with a little richer flavor. Then we're gonna add some vanilla extract. Now we're just gonna mix on low until combined and there's no butter chunks. Next, we're going to add in our pumpkin puree, which is going to be the egg replacer in these cookies. It makes them so soft and chewy. Next, we're going to add our all-purpose flour. Then our baking soda. Then some salt. Then, of course, we're going to add some cinnamon because these are snickerdoodle cookies. So because we're using pumpkin in these, if you guys want to replace the cinnamon inside the cookies with a pumpkin spice, that would also be a really great addition, especially for fall. That would be like a pumpkin spice snickerdoodle because they would still get rolled in the iconic cinnamon and sugar topping, just like snickerdoodles. But whenever I'm making these outside of fall baking, I just keep the cinnamon inside the dough. So now we're just going to mix on low until combined and we have a stiff cookie dough. Now we're going to mix up our snickerdoodle topping. To make the snickerdoodle topping, we're going to add 57 grams of cane sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon into a small bowl and then mix it up. Then we're going to line 2 baking sheets with parchment paper. Using your hands, roll the dough into 12 cookie dough balls and roll them in the cinnamon sugar mixture. Then place them on the prepared baking sheets, spacing evenly apart. We're going to get 6 cookies per sheet. Now we're going to bake these at 375 degrees for about 15 minutes or until the edges are golden brown. And the best thing about these is these are eggless snickerdoodles, so if you guys like super soft and gooey cookies, you can underbake them as much as you want without worry. When the cookies come out of the oven, I like to round them out using a cookie cutter for perfectly round cookies. So once the cookies come out of the oven, you want to let them cool for a few minutes if you can. These eggless brown sugar pumpkin snickerdoodles are soft, they're chewy, and they're so cozy. Perfect for fall. You guys want to make sure you store these cookies in an airtight container so they stay soft and chewy. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more eggless baking recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen. Let me know in the comments if you guys love these cookies. I love hearing from you. And be sure to try my tip for pumpkin spice version. These are so good, you guys. They're so soft, they're chewy, perfectly spiced.